Welcome back to Techie Train Academy. Please like, share, and follow Techie Train on all social media platforms. Also, subscribe to our channel, and let's get right into it. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix invalid region names. We'll be using this data set that we have been using on this series since we are still on data cleaning. We'll be using this data set to answer the following question. Region column has central, but we only sell to north, south, east, and west. How do we fix it? So right here we have north, south, east, and west, but here we have central, and we only sell to north, south, east, and west. So how do we fix it? As simple as just type in south, north, or east. So let's say we have south. We have completely solved this. We've answered the question literally, but then that is only because this data set is not let me move this here. This data set is not as robust, it's not numerous, it's just a small data set compared to if you are working in a company and you have a huge data set amount of data, and the error is not just once. Here we have central. Okay, let's redo this. Let's redo this. Let's move this over to this place, then move here over to this place. Now we are going to duplicate this particular column, so the error will be numerous. Let's spread this out, and let's 1, 2. Now we have 3 centrals here, 3 errors. Let's look for another south, name it central. We name here central. Name this south central. Now let's say the errors are numerous and the data set is also numerous, and we want to replace those errors. Like we have centrals here, but we only sell to north, south, east, and west, but the central is existing in multiple places across the data set. Now we could decide to go one by one and edit them. You could decide to go one by one and just be editing it randomly. Anyone we find, we edit it. Anyone we find, we edit it. But then if we do that, we will make errors, we'll make mistakes, and it will be more time consuming to achieve that. So how do we do this without wasting much time? How do we correct this error without wasting much time, without consuming time? So how do we do that? Let's follow the following steps in our slide. It says we should select the column. So we select the column where we have the regional problem. Then we'll go to find Control H. We use Control H. Control H, remember, is to find and replace. Control F, find. Control H, find and replace. And then we'll find central. Since that is the error, we'll find central. And we'll replace it with south. So come over here, type in our south, and then we replace all. Come over here and replace all. So it made 2 replacements. Now you can see here there's no central here. We do the same thing here. And we do the same thing here. Now you can see we column by column by column, but then that is also time consuming, because if you had multiple columns and you wanted to change the error, it will be also time consuming to be selecting it column by column by column. So then what do? We highlight all of this, Ctrl H, and replace all, and everything has been replaced manually. So it has replaced automatically, not manually. So then we can come over here and delete this region column, delete this region column, because we only needed one region column. So come over here, drag this, let's drag this and arrange our data set. Let's arrange our data set back to the way it was. And now our region, we don't have the central again. We have automatically answered this question. We should fix it, and we've converted the central to south. Now I want to explain something. This find and replace function is very, very essential. There are multiple options. So there are multiple options to find and replace. Let's say, let me copy this, come over here, paste it. So now we don't want west in this row, so come over here, Control H. Here we can set a format. You can set a format. You can set it to currency, accounting date and time, but that will be for another video. We can do within sheets and workbook. We can search for rows or columns. We can look for formulas. We can match keys, match entire cell content. That's every content in the cell. We match it against it. What this is doing is that it gives you options to look for central and replace it with south. It will give you the options to choose. You can close it and open it. And now, if you search central and you let's highlight this and you replace all, it will see we couldn't find anything to replace. Click options for more ways to search. It is possible the data you're trying to replace is in a protected sheet. Excel can replace data in protected sheets. Now, if this cell was locked, if a cell here was locked, Excel couldn't replace it because the cell is locked. That's what they call a protected sheet. But now we don't have any central here, and we want to remove the west. We'll come over here, we'll replace the west. We'll replace it with right. Now replace all. We made 6 replacements. So all the west that was here has been replaced to right. These options allows you to search for the for what you want to find. It will enable you to search for what you want to find in the column that has been highlighted, so you can replace it with what you want. If you have any errors in Excel, remember the find and replace function. If you have multiple errors, let's say you're given a data set and there are multiple errors in multiple places, but the error is the same thing, you use the find and replace to highlight those errors and replace them. Once you've highlighted the errors or searched for the errors, let's say there's a comma in each cell. There's a comma here, there's a comma here, and there's a comma here. And now you want to remove the comma. Here there's a comma, here there's a comma, and here there's a comma. And you want to remove that comma, you just Control H, find, let's close this option since we are not using it, find the comma and replace it with nothing. Then you replace all. Find, we made 3 replacements. The 3 commas I put has been automatically replaced. So when you have a data set with multiple auras of the same origin, or different origin rather, or different origin, same origin, they have the same characters or this thing, you can find those errors and replace them with whatever you want to correct your data set. So that is all for this video. With this, I hope we can be able to correct errors within a data set. We can fix invalid region names and also fix errors within a data set. I'll see you in the next video. NS out.